Bacon, crazy guys. Every health expert out there is saying it's poison. Yes, in most cases, the bacon which you have in your fridge right now is most likely kind of poison to your body. But what if I told you it can be superfood? I wanna tell you today, what is the worst bacon? What is the best bacon? What are the health benefits? And more importantly, I don't want to only fearmonger. In the end, I will give you an easy to understand checklist how to get the actual superfood which nourishes your body and helps your health and longevity. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna jump up into my office to cover that. Whew, all right, let's get straight into it. Bacon, we all love it, right? And if you're asking the health experts, most of them are saying it's poison. And actually, they are right in most of the cases. If you just go to the supermarket and blindly buy bacon, it's most likely not gonna be good for you. So first of all, why is regular bacon so bad? They have chemical additives and like big C risks and all of these things involved, actually science-backed. Regular bacon is usually cured with nitrates and very often sugar. So when you cook these, they form nitrosamines, carcinogens basically, right? And that is not me saying that, that's the officials saying that. In fact, the WHO classified processed meat like bacon as carcinogenic, and studies found that eating just a few strips of bacon daily raises the colon big C risk by about 18%, right? And then there's a lot of salt in it. Don't get me wrong, salt, sodium is extremely essential. We can't live without it. But bacon is loaded with sodium. In fact, 3 slices of bacon can contain nearly half of your daily salt limit, which can spike your blood pressure, of course, higher. One study, in fact, found that eating 150 grams of processed meat per week, only a few bacon strips, was linked to a 46% higher risk of heart disease and 51% higher risk of early death. That is incredible numbers, right? Too much bacon can really strain your heart indirectly. So then it's also most of the time pork meat, right? The dirty meat. That is, of course, one thing we have to talk about. Bacon comes from pigs, animals often raised in filthy conditions. Don't get me wrong, I'm from Germany. I ate a lot of pork in my life. Pigs will eat almost anything, even garbage or their own feces, and they don't eliminate toxins well. They barely sweat and have a simple digestive system. Not telling you don't ever eat pork again, but like bacon and pork, maybe not the best combination, because more toxins can actually accumulate in the pork fat, and pork is very fatty. Toxins accumulate in the fat of the animal. So the bottom line is conventional pork bacon isn't the cleanest or the healthiest meat at all. But I'm myself eating bacon, but a specific one, and I want to tell you how it can be a superfood, how you can benefit from it, and more importantly, a quick checklist in the end, how to get it. Let's get into it. The good news is bacon can be extremely healthy for you if you choose the right kind, namely grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised beef bacon, or bacon from any other ruminant animal like veal or lamb, mutton, anything, right? It's a little bit harder to find, I admit that. It's a little bit pricier also, I admit that. But here's why this premium bacon is on another level. So also look out for pure and natural. Grass-fed beef bacon is typically, most of the time, at least where I buy it, you have to search for it, just salt cured and smoked maybe sometimes. But you have to look out for no artificial nitrates, for no weird preservatives, for no added sugar, no dextrose, no nothing. Just salt. Perfect. It comes from cows raised on pastures, no hormones, no antibiotics, so you can get a much cleaner meat with none of the sketchy additives. You also have much healthier fat, and this is all what it comes down to. If you are consuming fat, you want the right one. Yes, olive oil, all of that. Yes, grass-fed, grass-finished ghee. Perfect. But if it comes to bacon, I prefer grass-fed cattle that has a better fat profile by far. It's higher in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids and lower in omega-6 than pork fat. It also contains CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, a beneficial fatty acid. These fats support your heart health and reduce inflammation, unlike the fat in the factory pork. It's also much higher in nutrients. Think of beef bacon as a crispy slice of steak. It's rich in quality protein, iron, zinc, B vitamins, plus grass-fed beef is loaded with nutrients like vitamin E and other antioxidants. Ladies and gentlemen, you get all the benefits of red meat in bacon form. Very delicious win-win, which you can add to your eggs and whatever you like. It's beautiful. So let me give you this easy to understand checklist which you can follow to find the good stuff, this superfood bacon and not the poisonous one. Choose bacon from ruminant animals, for example, beef, veal bacon, grass fat is of course the best, instead of conventional pork bacon. That is for sure, right? Look for grass fat and pasture raised on the label. The best is if it says grass fat and grass finished. In fact, I made a video about the grass fat meat fraud. It's popping up on top of the screen right now. You have to watch it if you like grass fat meat. This one will piss you off. You have to watch it right now. This ensures the animal's diet and lifestyle were healthy, translating of course in a healthier meat. Pick uncured or nitrate-free bacon with no added sugars, no dextrose, no sugar. Check the ingredients on the backside. It should just list the meat, salt, maybe natural smoke. Really, if you really want to stretch it, nothing more. This is very important. There you go. That is the checklist. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and you watch this very important video right now. And as always, guys, bye.